course. Here's the script you can use for your YouTube channel FK iPhone, tailored for the 2025 Nokia 130. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into a device that takes us back to the basics but with a fresh touch. Say hello to the all-new Nokia 130 for 2025. The Nokia 130 is a simple phone designed for those who miss the days when phones were just phones. It is a feature phone with no distractions, offering a straightforward and durable experience for users who want something reliable and easy to use. This device proves that you do not always need a smartphone to stay connected with the world. Starting with the features, the 2025 Nokia 130 keeps things clean and classic. It comes with a bright and colorful display that is perfect for reading messages or browsing through your contacts. The phone has a built-in FM radio so you can listen to your favorite stations without needing an internet connection. It also supports MP3 playback so you can load up your favorite songs and enjoy music wherever you go. Battery life is one of the biggest highlights of the new Nokia 130. Nokia has packed in a large battery compared to the phone's size and needs. You can easily expect several days of usage on a single charge. This makes it an ideal companion for people who are always on the move or for those who want a secondary phone that will not die on them quickly. In terms of storage, the phone allows you to expand memory using a micro SD card. This means you can store thousands of songs or important files without worrying about running out of space. It also includes a basic rear camera for quick snaps, although it is clearly not meant for serious photography. Think of it more as a handy tool for capturing everyday moments. The Nokia 130 also comes with Bluetooth support, which is great for connecting to wireless headsets or sharing files with friends. It offers a torch light feature as well, a small but incredibly useful addition especially during emergencies or power cuts. When it comes to the exterior, the Nokia 130 is built like a tank. It has a strong polycarbonate body that can easily survive drops, bumps, and rough handling. The design is slightly more refined than its earlier versions, with smoother edges and a more comfortable grip. Nokia is offering the device in a few vibrant color options that add a little bit of personality to the classic design. The keypad feels tactile and easy to type on, which is rare these days. It is perfect for texting without having to look at the screen constantly. The lightweight nature of the phone also makes it incredibly easy to carry in your pocket or bag without even noticing it is there. Now coming to the conclusion, the 2025 Nokia 130 is not trying to compete with smartphones. It knows its audience and sticks to what it does best. It is for people who want a dependable device for calls, messages, music, and basic needs without the hassle of apps, notifications, and constant updates. It is also perfect for kids, elderly users, or anyone looking for a backup phone that just works. If you are tired of the complicated world of smartphones or simply want a piece of nostalgia that actually serves a real purpose, the Nokia 130 might just be the perfect choice for you. And as always, it is refreshing to see a company staying true to the simple charm that made phones special in the first place. Thanks for watching. This is FK iPhone and I will see you in the next one. Would you also like a second version that's a bit more energetic or casual, depending on your channel's style?